Hi, my name is Alan Sturgeon, and through a series of 30 or more short 2 to 3 minute videos, I will show you how I've made over $1 million with viral Facebook memes and how you can too. There isn't anything to buy because I don't have anything to sell, and I don't want your email address. I just want to give back to the online community because I have been so fortunate. If there is enough interest when I'm 30 or so videos into this, I may turn this series into an ebook where you will have all this information together in one place. But at the present time, there is absolutely nothing to buy, just a series of videos. We will cover everything in this video series, from how to make your memes so they can go viral, what works best, how often to post, what topics people are passionate about, what topics to avoid, how to stay away from being cringe-worthy, and what can give your memes the best chance of going viral and making you some money. Obviously, I cannot guarantee you will make $1 million. You may make more or you may make less. It all depends on how much you're willing to work, which niches you choose to get into, how much passion there is in the niches you choose, and how much buzz you can generate in your niche. And to let you know I'm not just blowing smoke, here are some screenshots of various incomes, social reach, and interactions just so you can see this is for real. I specialize in political Facebook pages because that is a topic people are passionate about. That's important. And during the last 2016 election, one of my Facebook pages was reaching more than 50 million people a week. That's more than CNN, Fox News, and NBC combined. Is that still possible? Well, with the many changes going on at Facebook and in their algorithm, I won't say it's impossible, but it certainly is a lot harder than it was 5 or 6 or even 2 or 3 years ago. But I'm still making a good income from it today. However, it isn't as easy as it used to be. You probably won't see my face a lot because I'll be showing you mostly screenshots of what I do or pics to illustrate a concept better for you. Again, this is just the intro video and there's a lot more to come, so stay tuned for our next video where we're going to show you what kind of niches to get involved in that will give your memes the best chances of going viral. See you until the next video.